I'm Helena. I'm a final year Textile Design and I've just done the base metals and silver soldering workshop. It was great. I had a really good time trying loads of things out, trying different techniques, things that I haven't done before, and just overall really good experience. Metalworking, cutting things, printing things, messing around with wire and this and that is really quite cool. It's given me a wider opportunity to think about what I want to do after I graduate. I used to do a lot of jewellery making, so in fact it's brought back a passion that I thought I wouldn't do anymore. So it's given me the opportunity to think about that, but also to include it into my textile design practice as well. The workshop festival I feel is a really good idea. I'm up at the Penryn campus, I'm based there, so I don't get the opportunity to come down here and physically come into the workshops and try things out. And having this gives you the opportunity to do that and feel more confident to come down and expand your ideas and things that you might want to do within your course. Book on as soon as possible, even if you don't think, you haven't done it before, you're a bit concerned about trying something new. It's a really good idea and it gives you a lot more confidence.